NDID, stuff my alters buy me. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff that my alters buy me. And all this stuff has arrived in the past 2 days. Over 2 days. So either something they bought a while ago has suddenly, arrived and gone, yay, or someone had a bit of a meltdown and a retail therapy was needed. So we have this, and 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, all of about this sort of size. And this. The only thing is that I know I have ordered, because they were done recently, is this and this. So this should be a paper-like cover for my iPad, so I can draw, which would be useful. Yay! Paper-like covers. So that is to give my iPad a paper feel, so when I'm drawing and colouring and stuff. So that'll be cool. This one, this is a birthday present for my partner. So I'm going to open it. And it's from Geek Bookworm. Anne Julie is lovely. She's on Twitter. Go follow her. She's a mini painter and she paints amazing minis, especially the holders. I love her paintwork. It is amazing. As I've just said, she was selling some stuff and I didn't kickstart this at the time. And I love this game. My partner does this game. My friends all love playing this game. It's a card game. Sentinels of the Multiverse. Really excited about this. And there's a role-playing game. So our adventuring party is not only vampires, because we have a Vampire Masquerade campaign, but we're also going to be going into Sentinels. So thank you, Anne Julie. You've made me very happy. There we go. Okay, on to the rest. So I think it'd be really cool if they started to put their own names on it, so I knew who ordered everything. It'd be really good. Most of it's lunar, I know that much. Oh, awesome! Because we don't have enough paintbrushes already, but we have more mini paintbrushes. At least I can paint my doggies now from the Dungeons and Doggies. Because my paintbrushes are getting a little bit old because people keep ruining them. I say people, it's them. So yeah, and for dragons, of course. Okay, this one has Fragile on it. So from Merchoid. Oh god. We get Merchoid ads all the time on Facebook. Oh, brilliant! Okay, so I'm slightly obsessed with collecting mugs. And I've been a little bit down recently just because we've had a bit of inside issues with a new altar coming through. So it looks like someone has cheered me up. Oh, so this will be a gift for me. Potentially Anita. Anita likes Crash as well, but Anita's more of a Horizon Zero Dawn, Last of Us, Diablo type player. Same thing with Scarlet. Me and Luna like the really fun platform games, so I do love Horizon Zero Dawn. That's kind of like got all of us into it, but oh, I like this. The giant grin on my face has on me. I'll be Luna and Skittle going, yay! Okay, okay. I get so nervous doing these. I never have. I don't know. Okay. This is something that needs polystyrene. Looks like eggs. Got some scissors. The hell are these? Okay. So, these are plant pots. My guess is we're expanding our creations into adding the clay onto plant pots. Yes. So I have 12 of these. So yeah, check Instagram and see what we end up doing with these, I guess. I'm quite interested to find out what they've got planned for plant pots, because it isn't going to be gardening. Okay. Random stuff. Another pot. Ooh. That is not something I would use. I don't own a purse. I'm not a purse person. I have pockets. So there's that. With, I'm assuming that's like oh, it's clay. Well, that's a nice surprise. I'm assuming backup clay for the plant pots. We like Sculpey and Fimo. That can go with the other lot of clay that I ordered a few weeks ago, which apparently wasn't enough. I can't afford my altars, guys. I can't afford this. Okay. I even have to start like a Patreon or something, so like I can get help with money, so I can like afford the stuff these guys buy me. Like, what the hell? That was a joke, by the way. I'm probably not going to do that. I have an actual career. All right. Too scared to look. Okay. I'm gonna cry. This is a box full of big toilet roll tubes, or little kitchen roll tubes. Okay, can we bake cardboard? Not sure if that would be safe. They'd be quite cool for little dice towers though. Like miniature ones. Oh, we're doing scent work stuff with dogs maybe? And hiding scents in it. Well, I'll find out when you guys do, because I don't have a clue what they've got planned. But someone apparently is getting very crafty inside my head. Spending my money. Stuff I can't afford. Now this one, I had to pay a customs charge on. Came over from Germany. So I'm avoiding reading NDA stuff because I want to be just as surprised as you when I open it and find out what's in it. Oh wow! Oh okay, I'm okay with this. This is another Kickstarter from ages ago. We have Table Unicorns Controlling Chaos. Controlling Chaos. Chaos. Control. Okay, I'm happy about these. I kickstarted these ages ago. We've also got the other Unstable Unicorns and the Non-Suitable for Work edition because I really like this card game. So, yeah, that I was expecting. Not soon though. I haven't looked on Kickstarter for a while. Yay! Okay, so that's everything this week, I think. We have clay, card game, a mug, plant pots, tubes, paintbrushes, and pencils. Oh, that would look really cool. Let's put him back up. There you go. So that is a good look at everything my elders have bought me this time. I don't know what to do with this, guys. So, any crafty people out there have any ideas of what I can do with clay and tubes and plant pots? Feel free to send me a message or something. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!